have happy children here at Thackley, and I think that really benefits learning because children want to come to school. When you walk around here, you'll see happy children, you'll see polite children, you'll see children who will open the door for you, and we're not just teaching them the academic things, we're teaching them skills for life. I'm a reception teacher, early years leader, and phonics, early reading and spelling leader here at Thackley.
He will be glad.
So what do we need to do with our exclamation mark? I think because I work with the younger children, seeing the progress they make from when they start in September to when they leave in July, the progress is amazing. Excellent. Even in the 8 years I've been here, children are coming in with lower starting point, and it tends to be communication skills, social skills, and I think technology has a lot to blame. So obviously that brings up certain challenges when we start in children on their reading journey and their phonics journey at school. So we loved songs and actions, and as soon as we saw that Twinkl Phonics did that, we realised that was going to be for us, because we know that children being happy, enjoying, singing, using those actions was a great way to help those children retain those sounds. I think that's really beneficial for our SEND learners as well. Straight away the staff really got on board, they really liked the lessons, they liked how interactive it was, and I think we saw the children were enjoying it, so we realised it was a good scheme to have chosen. I think it's engaging, the children love the stories of the Kit and Sam. It's not just, oh, it's another phonics lesson, it's let's find out what Kit and Sam have done next. But you also know that you're not reading off a script, you're using the great resources, you're using the great PowerPoint, but Twinkl Phonics allows your creativity and personality to come out. When we started Twinkl Phonics, we realised that it was a great way of teaching children to read and write, but we needed to make sure that we were also teaching children to become readers and not just read. So quite quickly we bought into the Rhino Readers from Twinkl, and we loved the books, they're really relatable, and having the Kit and Sam in from the phonics lessons was great for the children. The front page of the book has a page of sounds, tricky words and key words, and we really liked that bit because it meant that every reading session, no matter how we did it at the time, started with a little mini phonics intervention. Yes, the Twinkl Phonics allows us to teach the children how to decode words and recognise tricky words by sight, but using the Rhino Readers in our 3-read meant that we would teach children to become readers and enjoy reading. You'll see around school our children do love reading, they'll talk about reading, they'll chat about Kit and Sam in provision in reception, and our year ones will talk about taking chapter books home to read, which is something we never saw before. We actually have a quote on our wall that says, if you can read, you can learn anything. If we install that love of reading and we allow children to become good readers, we know that they can access learning across the board.